following an error in the calculation of the gold price and the gold import in the month of November, the government has now revised the gold import data downwards, and this has been revised downwards by a solid $5 billion. So new estimates now suggest that the value of gold imported in the month of November was just $9.8 billion as opposed to the earlier reported $14.86 billion. This is a revision, a downward revision of about 34%. Now remember, the error in the calculation, which had initially contributed to a record trade deficit, pushed the rupee also to an all-time low. Well, the rupee continues to be at an all-time low, notwithstanding the correction in the data, but officials discovered that gold shipments in warehouses had been double counted due to a change in the auditing and the reporting method. Now, reports suggest that the discrepancy arose from adding gold held by custodians in free trade zones along with the figures reported by domestic banks purchasing gold. The surge in imports had raised concerns among analysts, especially after a duty cut in the union budget earlier last year. But officials had promised to reconcile the data. Well, that data has now been reconciled down by about $5 billion to about $9.8 billion. Now, the revised figures have also therefore revised India's trade deficit for the month of November, which now stands at about $31.7 billion as opposed to $37.9 billion reported earlier.